gonna go give the piggies some of the snow peas that we grew in our garden. They love treats. So if you follow me, there they are. This is Neville, Harry, and Ron. Where are you? Come here, bud. Do you want some treats? Here you go. Oh, here he comes. So these guys are potbelly pigs. They are Vietnamese potbelly pigs, and they're pretty small little guys. Some pigs can get to be up to 1,000 pounds, but these guys only weigh between 50 and 60, and they are what we call omnivores, which means they can eat meat, but we mostly feed ours fruits and veggies like snow peas. So they get their piggy oatmeal every day, which is a specially formulated diet for them. And then they also get all sorts of nummy snacks that we grow in our garden or get from the grocery store. They're also really, really smart animals, so we can see if they'll do a trick for you. Can you sit? Good job! You can also teach them to go through obstacle courses, and you can litter box train them because they're actually really clean animals. Most people think that they're really dirty because they like to lay in the mud, but a fun fact is that they actually lay in the mud so that they can protect their skin because they use it as piggy sunscreen, because otherwise all of their little sensitive skin might get a sunburn and they don't want that. So these are our 3 little pigs. If you have any questions about them, ask it in the comments.